Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable table saws that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Makita C10RJ. This heavy-duty job site table saw from Makita is built to handle bigger jobs that lightweight competitors simply won't be able to do. The saw blade spins at 4,800 revolutions per minute but is able to make ripped cuts through even the most knotted hardwoods thanks to the torque delivered by the belt drive motor assembly. The saw also accepts wide 13/16" dado blades, so you have the option for more advanced woodworking on the go. Keep in mind that the rip capacity on this table saw is only 25 inches, with the addition of an extendable table wing. Some users found that the wing was not perfectly level with the rest of the table and that the fence was difficult to align to the blade. However, the majority of users felt that these minor faults weren't compromising to the table's purpose or accuracy, and they liked the ease of moving the fence with the 2-pole slide system. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DeWalt DWE 7499GD. Don't let the 90-pound weight of this DeWalt table saw put you off. This saw is extraordinarily capable for its size, and the integrated stand makes it easy to transport. To start, this portable table saw has a massive 32.5-inch rip capacity to the right of the blade and an additional 24 inches to the left. That's a lot of table for a relatively compact saw, which gives you a ton of versatility in making ripped cuts. Even better, users found that the fence itself glides smoothly across the table and is simple to lock into place for quick cuts. For extreme accuracy, the fence can be micro-adjusted with the twist of a knob. At number 3, we have the Delta PowerTools 36-6020. This all-metal portable table saw from Delta PowerTools is an inexpensive option for contractors who only occasionally need a job site saw. The main advantage of this saw is that it provides room for ripped cuts up to 30 inches thanks to the extendable rip fence. It also has a tool-less split guard assembly with an anti-kickback pawl for safety, which makes adjusting the blade for special cuts extremely simple. The saw also spins at a whopping 5,000 revolutions per minute speed, which helps with making perfectly smooth cuts through softwoods and hardwoods alike. The blade is capable of cutting up to 3.5 inches deep, and you can change out the blade for an 8-inch dado blade up to 13/16 inch wide. At number 2, we have the WEN 3720. This inexpensive tool from WEN is the perfect choice for hobbyist woodworkers or contractors working on a tight budget. The saw is surprisingly capable given its price, with a 26-inch rip capacity enabled by an expandable fencing system. The 4,400 revolution per minute blade speed, driven by a direct drive motor, is also very effective at making smooth cuts through most softwoods and thin hardwoods. Users particularly love the 3.6-inch cutting depth, which is one of the deepest cut depths out of any of the saws we've reviewed. In addition, the blade can be removed to make room for narrow dado blades, allowing hobbyists to work on their joint cuts. And finally, at number 1, we have the Hitachi C10 RJ. For a budget-friendly price, this saw offers a huge array of helpful features. The saw is designed with a soft start and electric brakes that halt the blade within seconds of turning off the saw. In addition, the 10-inch blade is capable of making cuts up to 3 inches deep, which gives you the freedom to work with thick softwood boards with this saw. Users were impressed by the massive 35-inch rip capacity of this saw, which is enabled by an extendable fence system. Users reported that the fence was extremely sturdy even when fully extended, which provides some peace of mind when making large rip cuts. In addition, the miter gauge is easy to adjust, and making angled cuts up to 45 degrees is a breeze. Even the stand is relatively easy to expand and collapse, and the heavy-duty wheels make it easy to roll this saw around a worksite without much effort.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.